Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. ICT Academy of Tamil Nadu takes the privilege in welcoming one and all to the 15th edition of ICT Bridge 2014, titled as Technology and Entrepreneurship Summit. The Academy has slated this third edition for the year 2014, exclusively for Coimbatore, the Manchester of South India, having in mind that every grain of the soil has the vigor of entrepreneurial instinct. It's our pride to have the industry experts, institutional heads, faculty members, and professionals' esteemed presence out here to exchange the knowledge and expertise on the area of focus, technology, and entrepreneurship. With this note, let me invite an AS journalist, business consultant, and an ICT expert, Mr. K. Purushothaman, Senior Director, NASSCOM, to render the welcome address. Ladies and gentlemen, let's invite him with a huge round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. And as usual, you start by early morning and you'll see the hall full. Thank you very much for joining us in numbers today. And welcome to the ICT Bridge 2014, 15th edition of the bridge and 3rd edition at Coimbatore, with a focus on technology entrepreneurship. And we call this as Technology Entrepreneurship Summit. Coimbatore, known for entrepreneurship, a land of opportunities, and today with bursting institutes which has been producing almost around 40% of engineers of Tamil Nadu come from this Congo belt. And we get a lot of engagement. Whenever we think of a large activity, we always look at Coimbatore as a place because we get enough support from each and every one of you. Well, we thank you for that, but there is much more to think and much more to do in this space. That's the reason we went in and said that let's focus on technology entrepreneurship as a series focus for this summit, and lined up a lot of speakers who come with valuable experience and exposure, particularly in the technology space. They've been an entrepreneur, they are support entrepreneurship activities at various levels, and they all converged here only to share their experience and exposure with all of you around here. Let me take this opportunity to welcome Srimati Nandini Rangaswamy, Managing Director, Chandra Group of Companies. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us here. Welcome you. And Sri Lakshmi Narayan, Vice Chairman, Cognizant Technology Solutions. Thank you for joining us here, sir. And we have among us Dr. M. Manikam, Executive Vice Chairman, Shakti Sugars Limited. Thank you for joining us, and we welcome you, sir. Srimati Archana Patnaik, IAS, Collector for Coimbatore, could not join us because of an emergency work at Chennai. She couldn't make it today. But however, we thank her for her support she rendered in making this conference what it is today. We also welcome the speakers, the sponsors, delegates, and media for this wonderful day-long interaction on technology entrepreneurship. So you could see a different setup here. Could you make what this is all about? Is there any guess? What does this mean? What does this setup mean? FIFA World Cup. Okay. So I think we wanted to use FIFA World Cup. I mean, everybody has been spending sleepless nights in watching this World Cup. But we wanted to say that we didn't want to depict a football ground here. What it means is that you could see those 3 balls out there. We could have kept 2 balls. We could have just kept 1 ball, right? So what we want to say is that everybody has got a goal to achieve, right? We all have goals to achieve in our life. We use these kind of free resources like ICT Academy or NASSCOM or any of the associations for us to get that knowledge to reach that goal. So we want to orient towards that. We have kept those 3 balls. One could be a government, one could be industry, one could be academia. That's exactly what we want to say on that. So how do we engage ourselves collectively to reach that goal? That's exactly what we want to say through this. And it's been a great support, as I said in the beginning of my conversation, but it's time we engage to understand the opportunities better. No longer the students are interested much on the Big 10s or Big 20s of the world to get as an opportunity to work with. But today, you could see most of the newspapers, when I say newspapers, the business newspapers talking about, the first page is all about entrepreneurship and technology entrepreneurship and startups and product companies. As a portal where we create so much of knowledge for the students, do we create that opportunity for them to understand where we are, what this dynamic is all about, right? So today's deliberation is going to talk about it. So let's take serious note of all these deliberations, and it's not going to be a panel mode. It's going to, you're going to see different people coming all alone and sharing their knowledge, right? And it's going to be a different format altogether. First time we are trying out in Coimbatore with your support. So this day-long conversation, it's not just monologue. It's going to be a dialogue, lot of interactions. This will make us to arrive at a experience and exposure where we can find out where we are as an institute, as a teacher, as a chairman of a college. Am I in sync with the dynamics of the business worldwide, right? So that's where the whole framework is going to take us. Enjoy the day, and thank you for joining us. We welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful day on Technology Summit. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Purushottam, for the warm welcome address.